After trying this chicken thigh recipe, my family asks for it every day. Let's start by putting 9 chicken thighs in the frying pan. If you want to keep receiving our recipes every day, don't forget to interact with this video. Add a drizzle of honey to the chicken thighs. This recipe will surprise your family. Let the chicken thighs fry until golden brown. Add 3 cloves of crushed garlic. Black pepper to taste. A teaspoon of salt. A teaspoon of paprika. Mix everything well so that the spices add to the chicken. Take the time to tell us which city you're watching from, so I can thank you and send you a hug. Leave to cook for 10 minutes. Add 100 milliliters of soy sauce. 50 milliliters of water. Mix well. Make this recipe at home and come back and tell us how it turned out. Cook for another 10 minutes. I'll finish off by adding spring onions to taste. And our recipe is ready, delicious and easy to prepare. The best chicken thighs you'll ever make at home. Thanks for watching, see you next time and bon appetit!